Hello everyone students, ready with your books? Coming to our mathematics subject. Okay, lesson number 2. Again today 4 operations. Today we will be doing with part 5. In the last class we have already done some subtraction sums of simple subtraction sums of 8 and 9 digit numbers. So today we will again be doing some more subtraction sums, that is with borrowing. Okay, subtraction with borrowing. Now let us start with one example. I'll just show you one example here. Here the number given is subtract 28 crore 34 lakh 79,899 from 72 crore 15 lakh 8,346. Okay, now here we have written the number, that is the number which is written after from 72 crore. It is written as a minuend, that is the first number, and from that number we will subtract the second number, that is 28 crore number. Now for subtraction again we will start from the ones place. Now here in the ones place it is 6 minus 9, that is from 6 9 is to be subtracted. Now from 6 you cannot subtract 9. So what we will do is we will borrow a number from the tens place. Now the number in the tens place is 4. So what I'll do is while borrowing I'll just cancel this 4 and I'll write here 3, and here the number will become 16. Now 16 minus 9 will give you 7. That is, you can do is, what you have to do is from subtrahend, that is the number after 9 you will count after 9, that is 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So you will count till the number 16, you will get the answer as 7. Now in the same way the number in the tens place is 3 minus 9. Now again 9 cannot be subtracted from 3, so you will borrow the number from the hundreds place. The number in the hundreds place is 3. So when you borrow, or when you from hundreds, the number will become 2, and here the number will become 13. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. Coming to the hundreds place, it is 2 minus 8. Now 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. So from thousands place you will borrow a number. So when you borrow this, 8 will become 7, and this will become the number 12. Now 12 minus 8, or you count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that is 4. Coming to the thousands place, same way, 7 minus 9, it cannot be subtracted, the subtrahend is big, so you'll borrow from 0. Now can you borrow from 0? No, the number in the 10,000 place is 0, you cannot borrow it. So first you will borrow a number from the lakh place, you'll make it 4, and this number will become 10. Now from this 10 you will borrow 1 to the thousands place, so this will become 9, and this will become the number 17. Now 17 minus 9 you can do it, so it will be 8, and 9 minus 7 will be 2. Now in the lakh place, 4 minus 4, since both the numbers are same, the answer is 0. Again coming to the 10 lakh place, here it is 1 minus 3, you cannot subtract it. So you will borrow from the crore place, it is 1 here, and this will become the number 11. Now 11 minus 3, you can count the number after 3 till 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 8. Now the crore place, 1 minus 8 you cannot subtract. So again you will borrow from the 10 crore place. This will be 6, and this will become the number 11. Now 11 minus 8 is 3, and in the 10 crore place your number is 6 minus 2, that is 4. Now place the comma and read the number. Your answer is 43 crore 80 lakh 28,447. Now when you check the answer, what you have to do is you will add the difference and the subtrahend. So after checking the answer, when you get the answer, when you get the answer as your minimum, that means your subtraction is correct. So for checking the answer, you will add the answer, that is the difference plus the subtrahend. Now coming to some exercise sums. Exercise 2.2, will start with exercise 2.2. The first sum here, we're doing the C sum if you're having the textbook. Here the question is subtract and check. You have to check after doing the subtraction. Here 15,75,687 is to be subtracted from 52,325. Okay, the same procedure will start from the ones place. 5 minus 7 you cannot do because why? 5 is smaller than 7. So you will borrow from the ones place. Sorry, tens place. So the number in the tens place is 2. So you will cut this, you will make it 1. And when you borrow this number will become 15. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. Now from 1 you cannot subtract 8. So again you will borrow from the hundreds place. This will become 2 and this will become 11. 11 minus 8 will give you 3. Now 6 cannot be subtracted from 2. So you will borrow from the thousands place. But in the number in the thousands place is 0. So the thousands place will borrow from the 10,000s place. But again in the 10,000 place also it is 0. So what we will do is we will borrow from the lakh place. So this will become the number 1. This will become the number 10. From this 10 you will borrow it and you will make it 9 and you will make that number in the thousands place as 10. And the number in the thousands place is 10. So you will borrow it to the hundreds place. So this number will become 9 and this will become 12. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now from 1 you cannot subtract 5. So you will borrow from the 10 lakh place. So this will be 4 and this will be 11. Now 11 minus 5 is 6 and 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 1 is 3. Now when you place the commas, read the number. It is 36 lakh 24,638. Now for checking the answer, what you will do is you will add the difference. Now what was your difference or your answer? That is 36 lakh 24,638. That number you will write on top and plus you will write the second number, that is the subtrahend, that is 15,75,687. Now when you add the difference and the subtrahend, you should get your answer as your minimum, that is the first number, this number. Are you getting the first number? When you are getting the answer after adding, if you are getting your answer as your minimum, that means your subtraction sum is correct. Now coming to one more sum. Now here it is 30 crore 9 lakh 98,998 is to be subtracted from 71 crore 215. Now in the first place you will write your minimum, that is 70, that is the number written after from, that is 71 crore 215. The second number will be your, the subtrahend will be your 30 crore 9 lakh 98,998. Now starting from the ones place, again you will subtract. Now here in the first place it is 5 minus 8. Now you cannot subtract 8 from 5. So what you will do is you will borrow from the tens place. When you borrow from the tens place, here it is subtract minus sum. This will become 0 and here the number will become 15. Now 15 minus 9 is 15 minus 8 is 7. Now from 0 you cannot subtract 9. So you'll borrow from the hundreds place. This will become 1. This will become 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. Now from 1 you cannot subtract 9. So you will borrow from the now see here in this sum the number in the thousands place, 10,000s place, lakh place, 10 lakh place, it is 0. So what you will do is you will borrow a number from the crore. Now in the number in the crores place it is 1. So you will make it as 0 is a subtraction sum. This number will become 10. Now from this 10 lakh place the number has become 10. So from here you will borrow it to the lakh place. So when you borrow, this one will become 9 and this will become 10. So you have to go stepwise. Now in number in the lakh place is 10. So when you borrow from here in the lakh, from the lakh place to the 10,000s place, this number will become 9 and this will become 10. Now from 10,000s place you'll borrow to the thousands place. This will become 9 and this will become 10. Now from thousands place this will become 9 and in the hundreds place it will become 11. Now count the number after 9 in the hundreds place. 10, 11. So it is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 in the thousands place it is 0. 9 minus 9 again in the lakh place it is 0. In the 10 lakh place 9 minus 0 is 9. In the crore place 0 minus 0 is 0. And in the 10 crore place 7 minus 3 it is 4. Now when you place the commas and read the number, it is 40 crore 90 lakh 1217. Now for checking the answer same way, add the difference and the subtrahend, you should get the minimum, that is the first number. You will add the difference, that is difference, and the subtrahend, you will get the minimum, that is 71 crore 215. Just check after doing it. Okay, now same way some subtraction sums are given to you as homework, 2 sums, where the first sum is subtract, this is 5 crore 49 lakh 87,618 from 9 crore 82 lakh 13,432. This is your second sum. Okay, same way 2 sums, you will subtract with borrowing and then check your answer by adding the difference and the subtrahend. So in the next class we'll be continuing with other topic. Till then, thank you for today and have a nice day.